Nosebleeds can be annoying, but understanding their symptoms is crucial for effective management. Some signs to look out for are bleeding from either one or both nostrils, a sensation of liquid flowing down the back of the throat, and the urge to swallow. Acting quickly is essential when dealing with nosebleeds. For quick and effective treatment, first pinch the fleshy part of the nose, just below the bone, using your thumb and index finger, while sitting down and leaning slightly forward to prevent any blood from flowing down the back of the throat. Maintain that pressure and posture for at least 10 minutes after the bleeding has stopped. If assisting someone else, always wear disposable gloves for your own personal safety. In most cases, the previous steps will help stop the bleeding. However, if the nosebleed does not stop within 20 minutes, is severe, or recurrent, seek medical attention. Common misconceptions. Tilting your head back will stop the bleeding. Although it can stop the bleeding, it can lead to blood flowing down your throat and potentially causing nausea or choking. Putting objects in your nose can cause further injury and worsen the bleeding. Blowing up the nose can disrupt the clotting process and lead to rebleeding. We provide a first aid training course where you can learn about nosebleeds and so much more. Contact us or visit our website for more.